Meaning of footplate.
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 Footplate. The term footplate typically refers to a flat surface or plate at the bottom of a structure that can be stepped on or provide support for something else. In some cases, it may specifically refer to the part of a pedal that a person places their foot on while using a machine or vehicle. Footplates can also be found in medical settings, such as on a surgical table or orthopedic device. Overall, the function of a footplate is to provide stability, support, and a surface to stand on or interact with.